everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is David from Finish Line Factory, and funny story, this video today was supposed to start at Park House 1, but I got up at 8 and then went back to sleep. Got up again at 9 and I still would have had time to make it, but then I went back to sleep and I completely missed the show because I got up at 10, and then by the time I make it to the show, it's like an hour drive from my house. It would be 11 and the show would be over in like an hour, so there's no point in driving an hour just to be at a show for an hour. So instead I went to my afternoon plan, just straight there. I went to TuneRS's Automotive, and they're having a huge Porsche car show. There's Porsches, exotics, tons of stuff, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and we'll check it out. Got a 997 here, really nice. Let's see, 570S. This one's tuned actually. I got a black Cayman. I think these are 911 wheels. Flat black, looks nice. Hey man. Sorry. No problem. Is this your car? No. Oh, okay. Let's see. Black MP4. Oh, 993. Okay. It's a yellow Cayman GT4. 996. Another 996 facelifted. Very nice. What else is out here? Oh, white NSX. You can get these for such a steal from Honda. They're just nobody's buying them. I think there's too many supercars now. That's the problem. You have too many options between Porsche, Lamborghini, Ferrari. You know, just Acura just coming out. Maybe it's just bad timing coming out with this car. Maybe if they made it bear a little more of a resemblance to the original, it would be selling better. It's a good car. Over here, 964 Racecar. This is the TuneRS Motorsports race car. They got, it's all painted on the inside, fully gutted, roll cage and everything. Let's see, Ferrari 488, two of them actually. Got GTR. So here's a red 488, black 488 with red stripes in the middle. Here comes the 997. Let's see, 996 and 997. 997 Turbo. These are going for some money. I think around 70, 80 grand, more or less. Oh, 991 Turbo S. I really dislike what they've done with this car because they make a Turbo and a Turbo S, but I mean the Turbo S is just so much better for 30 grand more. It's a huge bargain because you get the PCCB wheel brake standard, you get a whole bunch of options standard in addition to more power. So you know there's no point to getting the Turbo. Everybody just jumps to the Turbo S. As a matter of fact, I'm not sure if I've ever seen a 991 Turbo. So I don't know what's the point. All right, black Ferrari California. We got a Dodge Viper SRT10 convertible. Let's see, yellow Ferrari Scuderia. Look at the intercooler on this thing. I think it's a 993 turbo. Oh, clean interior. It's got bucket seats. Let's see. Slant nose, 935 I think. I think I saw this car at Prestige Imports a couple weeks ago. It's mint green, 964. Oh, this is a unique color. I have no idea what color this is. I have to ask. I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna find out because this is beautiful. It's got a nearly color matching interior, kind of like a wine color. Really nice. It's almost like a fuchsia color. So it's a little loud here because of all the music, but I'll do my best. Lancia Delta, look at that. Integrale. It's a Delta. Very nice. Let's see a Cayman race car. what the hell is this? A boosted Mini Cooper truck. Okay. I think this is a 356 and another slant nose. Very nice. Wow, the sun is casting this awesome shadow on these cars. Alright, let's head into the shop, see what we got. Looks like a Land Rover Defender. Got a Boxster race car, or Cayman race. Yeah, it's a Boxster race car. On top of that is a 911. Let's take a quick look under the car. See the engine. This is the air-cooled model. Alright. Got some tables set up, and they have pizza back there. So they're kind of having this event, having pizza, wine, kind of like cars and coffee, but a little twist on it. And you got the wine over here. You can open the door. That works too. Hey. Here we got wine. Cool, so I guess I'll grab some pizza. Alright guys, the MP4 is leaving. This guy's on Instagram, it's MP4 Spider. See ya, bro. Later. Hey, send it. Damn, that's fast. And he's gone. He is gone. Alright, this cool Boxster is parking. This Boxster has this very, very rare hardtop on it. It's got this cool wing in the back. Nice wheels. Just having a little trouble backing up. Just being cautious, that's okay. You're perfect. There you go. And over here. Lava Orange Turbo S Cabrio just showed up. Yeah. That's nice. Good luck finding parking. Classic Camaro showed up. Resto mod. Oh, I gotta check this thing out. Look at the tires on. Oh my god. Tires on this thing are massive. And look at the dish. There you go. Real nice projector headlights with kind of rings on them. What else is going on? Chip Foose wheels with dual brakes. They're trying to back up a little.
I'll tell you when to straight.
Oh my god. It's got Mickey Thompson's in the rear. Look at the size of this thing. There you go.
Surviving this damn sun, man.
Get that for you.
Thank you, bud.
Let's take a look at the interior.
What's up, brother?
Dude,
yeah, go ahead.
this is awesome.
If you don't mind, check the engine.
Wow.
Gotcha.
It's got a fan controller there or something like that.
Here, you definitely
Window controller. Oh man. This is really clean.
That's so clean. It's got push to start.
Do you guys know what motor this is?
No idea. Probably like an LS3 or something.
It looks slightly larger than an LS engine. I think it's for the heads. I think it's the valve covers. There you go. It's got the dual path intake. Look at that. We hop over to the interior again. Leather seats. This is a completely custom dashboard. Like, none of this is factory. It's got a push to start. It's got, oh man, there's a mirror controls. Oh yeah, this has got to be like a SEMA car. Take a look at those gauges. Let's see. Look at this thing. There we go. Speedometer, voltage. So that's your tachometer. There's a carbon fiber inlays. Wow, this is extremely well done. All right, guys, Camaro's heading out. We're gonna catch him on the other side. Beautiful car. Looks like he's making a little U-turn there. You can see him gas it. Oof. Yeah, he's got some cold tires, so he has those Mickey Thompsons don't grip too well when they're cold, so not surprised he didn't give it the full beans, but hey, thanks for bringing it out. Great car. All right, the Scuderia is leaving. And looks like the NSX too. Oh man! Oh, the sound is so good. Oh, that's beautiful. I wish I would do a U-turn and do that again. The Ferrari V8, the NSX twin turbo V6. Let's see. And it looks like the 356 is also leaving. Get a cold start.
What happened is that
Alright, worked out. Alright guys, the event's cleared out. Looks like everybody's going home for the day. I don't think there's anything else happening, so I'll be going home too. Hopping into the 240 real soon. So be sure to like, subscribe, check out the website if you need any fittings or hoses, any kind of racing supply parts. Oh, and leave a comment if you got a comment. So I'll catch you guys later and see ya. Bye.